This is a Yamaha 2005 Yamaha YFZ 450 quad. Got it from a buddy saying another person who took it to him to fix it because while they were riding it, it just shut off on them. They couldn't get it back to start or anything like that. So ever since then, they never figured out why. They redid the top end, which is a Nietzsche jug and all that. Looks pretty good and everything. Looks like they did an alright job, but they couldn't get it started. So when I did try to start the switch and push the button over here for the start, right here, there's this click on the relay over here. It would just click, wouldn't turn over or anything to do, and it would kill the power to the whole bike. So to find out what was going on, I took off all the plastics, found that the carburetor was, not attached really good. So I ordered another boot with the clamps on it because the clamps are missing right now. But as I was messing with this, trying to figure out where the fuel line goes and what was not hooked up, the top of the vent line right there in the back, trying to hook that up right. And then I came across the starter clutch cable. Goes that way. Let me go back around the other side. I think they routed the clutch cable wrong, but what I found out was, I was like, okay, is that the negative terminal lug on the starter? Come to find out, that's a positive. The clutch cable has a little burn spot on it right there, you can see, and it was sitting stuck against the positive lug there for the starter, and I think that's why they couldn't get it to start, and that's why it killed the bike, because it was shorting out. Here's the bolt I was talking about. I don't have the clamps, so I ordered another one with the clamps on it and everything. But I think that's why it wasn't turning over or even starting. That's why it shut off, because the cable assembly for the clutch is actually shorting out the whole bike to ground, causing it to shut off and won't start. Hopefully that's it. I did get the boot today. I'm gonna put it in here shortly. Got this from Amazon. The other hose clamps that I have are too wide. They're too wide compared to these, so I couldn't use these hose clamps I have over here. So I had to order this one and get a new boot with it and everything and get it on. But yeah, I think that's why I won't start. The next thing I gotta do is get the carburetor hook back up with this one here. Take the fuel tank off and drain it and put new fuel in it, and put the air box back together, get everything secured, all the lines hooked up, and try to start it and see if it will actually turn over. Again, it came to me the way it is right now. This is not my bike. All they want done to it is just to get it started. They didn't ask me to fix the handlebar or fix the plastics and fix it all up, even like lube chain or anything like that. They just told me that all he wanted was it to be able to run and start. I said, okay, too easy. Let me look at it. I'll get back to you whenever I finish up what I was talking about here.